How long have you been here both sa City Cloud, ma'am?
Well, ako naman, it's my 1 year last February 1. So basically, it's been 12 months
Okay.
pa ako dito sa company.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, good morning mga ka-mindset, and we are here for a very interesting vlog. I'm actually looking for an investment maybe in my future. So, sa nakikita sa title natin ngayon, this is a quick tour for a showroom condominium dito lang sa Grotto, sa City Cloud. I'm pretty sure that you would like to know more about this vlog. So, ano pa bang hinihintay nyo? Tara, let's! So, good morning mga ka-mindset. We're actually here, and of course, we will get to know more about City Cloud with the help of our sales director from City Cloud. We have a beautiful and very sexy Mom Jennifer! Alright. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
And, of course, we have another kasama po natin dito sa City Cloud. Yung, of course, guwapo katulad natin. Si Sir Rob. He's actually a sales manager. Alright. So, how are you both naman, ma'am, Jen and Sir Rob?
We are okay.
Yes, we're fine. Thank you for asking.
Happy and healthy.
Ayun, laban lang, no?
Physically fit to work.
Yes.
Laban lang, laban. And I'm
Laban
pretty
lang.
sure that we are all fully vaccinated.
Yeah,
Yes.
fully vaccinated.
Fully
Alright.
vaccinated.
Okay, and it's good to know, guys, that we actually have that time, both Ma'am Jen and Sir Rob here to talk about City Cloud. How long have you been here both sa City Cloud?
Here for almost 2 years.
Well, ako naman, it's my 1 year last February 1. So basically, it's been 12 months
Okay.
pa ako dito sa company.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Alright, so can you please tell us more about a brief history about the City Cloud?
Actually, City Cloud, this is our first project here in Cebu. This is developed by Golden Topper, and Golden Topper is an international developer. And this project is not a residential alone. This is a mixed-use project. We have residential, we have offices, and we also have retail components.
Madami-dami din po, no?
Yes. So actually, this is City Cloud has the best location. This is located in Midtown Cebu City. So if you're looking for investment, this is really one of the best investment for you.
Okay. So as you mentioned that this is the best investment, Sir Rob, can you please tell us what is your edge over among other condos or real estate?
Yeah, so it is already given that our developer is an international-based developer, which is Golden Topper. So Golden Topper primarily based in Hong Kong. So Hong Kong is known for its best condominium. So they offer quality-based units. So I think aside from that, one of the edges of our project, City Cloud, is our location. So we are strategically located at the heart of Midtown Cebu City. So we have an easy access to hospitals, banks, especially schools nowadays. And aside from that, we offer quality units. So we have bigger cuttings. So all of our units here in City Cloud has balconies. That is intended, of course, for our buyers or our investors to enjoy the views. So we have a lot of views. So we have facing city view. We have, you can actually see also the Bisaya Mountain. And of course, the sea view.
Alright.
Yes, and aside from that, we have also competitive pricing. So we have a friendly payment terms for our clients here and abroad. So basically, City Cloud has everything to offer.
Alright, everything. Pati jowa, everything. Just kidding aside. Alright, so actually guys, if you'd like to know more and if you'd like to see about their showroom, we're actually here located sa Gorordo. It's actually just near Camsotero.
Yes.
Alright, so mga ka-mindset, if you'd like to know about the price range, ma'am, can you please tell us the price range of your condos that you offer?
For City Cloud Tower C, our studio unit ranges from 3.8 million to 4.2. It depends on what floor and it depends also on what view. And for the one-bedroom unit, Rob?
For the one-bedroom unit for Tower C, the price is ranging from 5.7 almost 6 million. So it also depends on the unit location because we have 3 unit types or variants for our one-bedroom in Tower C. We have 37.90, 38, and 40 square meters.
And the payment options would be?
Actually, City Cloud has a friendly payment term. We offer no spot down payment. So you just reserve now, just for 25,000, and then after that, you will start your equity.
So, when is the turnover date of this tower, ma'am?
For Tower C, which is our first tower, it will be turned over by first quarter of 2024. But we're about to launch our new tower, which is Tower B, and Tower B will be turned over.
So Tower B will be turned over by third quarter of 2024. And actually, we have our promo right now, which is this is our buyer's promo for Tower B. So by the way, I will to give you a little insight for our Tower B. So Tower B will give you an expanded city and sea view. So for our buyer's promo, we're offering you 10,000 less reservation fee. So from 25,000, it will be go down to 15,000 reservation fee.
Actually, for the Tower B, it's third quarter of 2025.
2025. Alright, so that's good to know, guys. We actually learned a lot now about City Cloud. If this is the first time you've heard about City Cloud. Ma'am and Sir Rob, can you please invite them?
Okay, if you're looking for investment here in Cebu City, please free to visit our showroom and look for us, Jennifer and Sir Rob. Now we are happy to assist you, and this is the best investment for you because the location is very accessible.
Alright.
And Rob?
So if you are hesitant to invest, so feel free to contact us through our Facebook page and through our contact details to be presented later.
Okay, and then reserve now. And hope to see you soon, guys.
So guys, this is a very good investment if you're looking for that, OFWs and all the Filipinos, or even not Filipinos, guys. So please do share this and also put hashtag
Better City, Better Life.
So guys, for more information, you may also contact Dennis' link. I'll be putting on the description box, and also to Dylan's Grace vlog. Nasa description box, guys. So thank you very much for your time, both ma'am,
Thank you.
Jen, and Sir Rob. So that's it, mga ka-mindset, for our vlog for today. Thank you very much for watching. And guys, ito, very familiar po ba? Ating cameraman before. Alright, so it's actually, yung passion niya talaga as of this point of time is real estate. So let's actually support him. I'll be putting down Dennis' FB page link dito sa description box below. And also, please do not forget to also like, share, and subscribe to Dylan Grace vlog for this City Cloud. Thank you very much, and good morning, mga ka-mindset.
Bye, Kamaisan!